The Algorand cryptographic money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will work on the productivity of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the primary objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, extending the capacities of clients. The fundamental elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment-undeniable nature, which give magnificent straightforwardness. On account of this, clients can rapidly and efficiently move ALGO cryptographic money. Algorand works on evidence of stake, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by essentially holding digital money in their wallets or trade adjusts. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying dispersion, the IEO of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were circulated through a Dutch sale in light of the fact that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch sale implies that costs are brought in dropping request as opposed to rising one. Algorand value examination. Prior to settling on any venture choices, doing some sort of preliminary work is important. In this way, you ought to do your own exploration and examine the value history to find repeating examples and markers so the worth of your ventures wouldn't plunge. As per the Algorand cost expectations, this computerized money might develop soon. Furthermore, numerous crypto specialists decidedly evaluate the fate of ALGO, and we trust that over the long run and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand genuine cost. As of October 18th, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by 8 cents as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The unsurpassed most elevated ALGO cost is $3.67. The most minimal and listed cost of ALGO is 9 cents. In the event that you intend to purchase Algorand coins, the best and most secure spot for it is a worldwide cryptographic money trade. At our foundation for moment crypto coins buy, best rates, productive exchanging offers by our fiat to crypto exchanging accomplices, and expert client care are ensured to you. Market forecasts. Specialists accept that Algorand is a promising cryptographic money that might show new pinnacles. In the long haul, ALGO might end up being a wise speculation. In 2022, the ALGO cost may be $1.26. Algorand value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be 29 cents. The greatest level that the ALGO cost can reach is 34 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 29 cents. ALGO value figure for January 2023. In light of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 20 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 19 cents and at 21 cents. Separately, February 2023, Algorand value gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ALGO cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 20 cents, while the most extreme could reach 22 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 21 cents. ALGO value conjecture for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ALGO rate they foresee may be around 22 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 21 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 23 cents. April 2023. Algorand value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the ALGO cost will be exchanged at 23 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 24 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 22 cents in April 2023. ALGO value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Algorand costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 24 cents. The most reduced and top ALGO rates may be 23 cents and 26 cents. June 2023. Algorand value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ALGO cost will be around 25 cents. In June 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 24 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 27 cents in June 2023. ALGO value estimate for July 2023. Having examined Algorand costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ALGO rate could arrive at a limit of 28 cents in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 24 cents. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Algorand is almost 25 cents. August 2023, Algorand value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 26 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the ALGO cost could vary somewhere in the range of 25 cents and 29 cents. ALGO value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least 26 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 30 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 27 cents. October 2023, Algorand value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of ALGO costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Algorand will be around 32 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 27 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 27 cents. ALGO value gauge for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 28 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 27 cents and at 33 cents. Separately, December 2023, Algorand value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ALGO cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 29 cents, while the greatest could reach 34 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 29 cents. Algorand value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around 42 cents. The most extreme expected ALGO cost might be around 51 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 43 cents in 2023. Algorand value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 60 cents and 73 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 62 cents. Algorand value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Algorand and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ALGO cost could drop to 88 cents, while its greatest can reach $1.06. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 91 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2026, $1.54 and $1.24. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.28. Algorand value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Algorand. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $1.93. It could drop to at least $1.87, yet it actually could reach $2.18